All right, so this is a video for instructions on how to complete the organization keeping a checklist assignment. Reminder, this assignment is a great opportunity for you to get organized and get caught up with your classes, especially before we come back to in-person learning with the AB schedule. So let's go click on this. It'll take you right to the assignment. And it says for this assignment, you will open the following link. So keep.google.com. Okay. The Google Keep website is a great tool for keeping a to-do list of assignments and activities. For this assignment, you will simply need to create a Google Keep to-do list and follow the instructions for the video. And I'm also going to add in here that you need to share, and I'll add that right now. You need to share the Google Keep with me. Okay. And share it with Mr. Richard. Okay. And then it says, please follow the video instructions below. And these are the video instructions right here. So let's jump in here and go to this website. It's going to pop us into Google Keep. And Google Keep is like Google Docs or a different kind of Google tool. But this is all about making notes and making to-do lists, okay? So the first thing that we want to do when we get in here, and you're going to watch this video and pause it as you go, and it's going to be a pretty short video, but if I go in here and hit this new list, and I just click this right here, it's going to give me a list item. And the title I want for this is World Studies. So you can do one of these for each of your classes, but for my assignment here, you just need to do exactly what I'm doing, World Studies. So the first list item is you need to complete this assignment, okay? Go back, it's called Organization Keeping a Checklist. So I need to complete, or actually, the first thing you're gonna do is put the date in which you wanna get this done. So that's today, so 9/24. You always wanna put the date that you wanna do something in there so you know kind of when. Okay, so 9/24 is the first thing, and then you wanna put what you're trying to do. So I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna look, and it's organization keeping a checklist assignment. So I want to say I want to finish the organization keeping a checklist assignment. Okay. Then I want to go down to the next thing. I'm going to go 9/24 because I want to do this as well. And I'm going to say I want to do a gradebook check for World Studies because that's something that Mr. Richard put in the agenda, or I put in the agenda. So grade book check. Okay. And then let's say that's all we wanted to put in there for now. We hit close, and it will make us a to-do list for our World Studies class. Okay. The other thing I want you to do is just make one for your other classes. Okay. You don't actually have to share those with me, but it's good to just go ahead and make them. So we're going to hit new list. We're going to put a title, and let's say your other class, whatever your classes are. I know everyone has physics. We'll do physics, and then, let's say 9/24. You can put whatever you want in there. Just put the date, hit close. Some of you all have computer science. So you make a list again, title, computer science or biology or biomed or engineering or geometry, algebra, whatever you have, you're going to put those and kind of make a list for each class. And that's simple. You're just going to make it each class. And that option is there for you if you want to go and make a to-do list for them. But let's go back to World Studies and say, okay, we have made a to-do list in this. Oh, the last thing we have to do is share it with Mr. Richard before we check this off to complete the assignment. So all you have to do is go to More, and then, oh, no, not more. You're going to hit this little plus, person plus sign. So you're going to hit that little collaborator and pause the video as we go if you need to. But you're going to hit that little collaborator button, and you're just going to, and I'm already in there. That'll be your email right there. But you're going to add my email. It's john.richard, and it should pop up at jon.richard, and then just hit save. And that will send me, and this email already exists for me, but let's say I'm going to share it with Ms. Cecil. Okay, I'm going to share it with Ms. Cecil, and I hit save, okay? And in hitting save, that will share with Ms. Cecil, and she'll be able to see that. So, or, you're not sharing with Ms. Cecil, you're sharing it with me. And that's how I'll know that you completed it. Okay. Now we've completed that assignment, so we're going to go and hit that check. Good to go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the grade book check, and we're going to check our grades. So I'm going to come over back to Echo, and I'm going to go into my student mode here where I can act like I'm a student. This is a fake student account that I created so that you can see what this looks like. I'm going to go World Studies, and I'm going to check. So right now I'm not doing great. I got a 67D, so I need to see what am I missing, what did I do wrong, and I'm going to go to my grades, okay? So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm seeing, okay, I've got things I'm missing. But these things are way at the top. I'm going to go to the very bottom, and I put in the agenda the 4 big assignments from this project that you want to make sure you have done. And that's benchmark 4, benchmark 5, benchmark 6, and the if I'd only known entry document, okay? So right away I see the entry document. I did not, this fake student didn't do very well on that. So I might put that on the list, okay? So I'm going to go over to my Google Keep, and I'm going to say if I'd only known entry doc assignment. And I'm going to make that, and I'm going to add to my list. So I'm going to click on my list, and I'm going to add another list item, okay? So I'm going to put the date, 9/24. And again, pause if you need time to go and do these things, 9/24, and I'm going to look at the title of the assignment I need to do, and that was if I'd only known entry document assignment. So if I had only known entry doc assignment, okay? Then I'm going to keep making that list. So these are my things I need to make sure I'm done with. Oh, I didn't finish benchmark 5 works cited page, okay? I need to make sure, and I want to put the date. I want to try to finish this as soon as possible. Benchmark 5 works cited page. Okay, and then I'm going to do one more, 9/24, because I'm missing, let's go back and look, I'm missing benchmark 6 career mock interview. So I've got some stuff I need to make up. Career mock interview. But now I have a list, so I can hit close, and I can say, okay, I know what I need to do. I did my gradebook check, so I'm going to check that off. And now I need to finish these things. So I'm going to just go down this checklist. So this is a great way to be organized and to feel that like, yes, I'm getting things done. I'm checking things off. So this is a great organizer for you. Now, let me highlight this really quick. If I go back to my agenda for our class, I've done something for you. So if you look down below, you'll see the links for each of these assignments, the 4 big ones I said from this. If you actually go into that assignment, I have now linked the video instructions. So these are step-by-step how to do these instructions. I also told you where to fast forward in the video so you can be right at where we start and you can work along with us and get this complete. I'm also available if you need help. Okay, so go to the Google Meet, email me, set something up. Guys, the ball is in your court to get these things done. Okay, thank you. Get it done. And the assignment is finished whenever you share it with me, okay? And you've made your to-do list, okay? And you've gone through your grade book and done everything, okay? Thank you.